Hey, Bolt. It's spring break. It's spring break, Bolt. That's right. Hey, everybody. YouTube user. I'm YouTube user. Safe City Escalators here. Doing another unboxing video. This is my friend, Chloe Jackson. Came from all the way from Oregon. Clackamas, Oregon. We have another unboxing video. Seems like one over my Dover Impulse elevator emergency light lens, like way back in March 5th. And Bolt, we have here. Right next to Bolt is my package. And this is from Chloe Jackson. All right. Okay, Bolt. Let's do this. Came from Clackamas, Oregon, made from my friend Chloe Jackson. Okay. Okay, now Bolt. Okay. Alright, Bolt, here we go. Okay. So a big thank you to YouTube user DogWalker71. This is my friend Chloe Jackson. Alright, Bolt, we have a moment been waiting for. Okay, Bolt, let's see what's inside. Bolt, oh boy, look we have here. It's a KONE or Montgomery KONE series or KONE 220 elevator button with purple bubble wrap. See, there it is. Series 220 or KONE 220 elevator button, like one over at the Embassy Suites and one the old former Scheels, all sports at by Southpointe Mall. And there it is. See, look at this. Series 221. Okay, now turn around, Showbolt. See, there it is. Series 220. Yeah, Bolt is supposed to be wired on these 9-volt batteries. Yeah, this Series 220, KONE 220, like one over at the Embassy Suites Hotel right to downtown. Alright. Yeah. These are the 9-volt batteries. Okay. So, a big thank you to YouTube user DogWalker71. With so that being said, thank you for watching, and that is all.